welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm just going to show you guys how I make a quick meal. We got some chicken grinds, 80, 10, 5, 5. We got that there. And then you just weigh it to 63. That's how much Mocha eats in a day. So we're going to take this taurine and we're just going to get a little spoonful and we're going to sprinkle it on this chicken mix here. If you guys need to go ahead and see what I got, you can go ahead and just go back and pause that. So we sprinkle that on there, put it back. Here's some vitamin E right here. I'm going to take some of this, get it open. Yep, and put a little drop on there. And let's see, next we got the manganese. You can get this from mussels, but Mocha don't eat mussels, so this is easier. Let me see, put a little 3 drops on there. We got some iodine. This is also important, can be found in fish. Just add a little drop here. And then, let me see, what do we got here? What do we got? We're gonna go ahead and mix this up. Get it all nice and mixed, even and everything like that. Sometimes I add water to it, to get them some more moisture in their food. Alright, just mixing it. And that's that. Let's not forget the nutritional yeast. This is very important for cats as they require a lot more B vitamins. And this has a bunch of it. So go ahead and get some nutritional yeast. Use that, sprinkle it on there, and have a good day. Alright, here's Casper. And alright, goodbye. Alright, and that is really it. They really kind of eat everything. That's pretty much it. He's not going to eat the rest of those feathers, so I'm just going to clean this on up. And he's about to go take another nap. And this is all the mocha left. I don't know if you guys want to see him eat this. I mean, it's not, I mean, he just licks it up. So, I mean, I don't know. If you do, let me know. But that's it. Stay tuned for the next video.